Hey everyone, if you're looking for the best Bybit referral code, you're in the right place. In this quick video, I'll show you how to use the Bybit referral code KAKA to unlock exclusive bonuses and get started on one of the top crypto trading platforms. Whether you're searching for a Bybit promo code, Bybit sign-up code, or Bybit bonus code, this is all you need. It's simple. 1. Click the link in the description. This will take you directly to the Bybit sign-up page. 2. Automatic code application. The Bybit referral code, KAKA, will automatically be applied during sign-up. If not, just copy and paste it from the video description. 3. Create your account. Enter your details, complete the process, and start enjoying your bonuses. Bybit offers substantial bonuses for new users. You can unlock up to $30,000 in rewards through their promotions. Here's how. Welcome bonus. Earn up to $30,000 based on your deposit and trading volume. For example, depositing $250,000 and trading $150,000 can unlock the full $30,000 bonus. Deposit bonuses. Smaller bonuses are available for lower deposit and trading thresholds. For instance, depositing $3,000 and trading $6,000 can earn you a $100 bonus. Free crypto credit. New users can also receive up to $40 in free crypto credits by making initial deposits of $100 and $400. Fee discounts. Enjoy a 10% discount on trading fees for a limited time. These bonuses are structured in tiers, rewarding higher deposits and trading volumes with larger bonuses. To maximize these rewards, be sure to use the referral code KAKA during registration. Bybit is a leading platform with over 39 million users, supporting 160 countries and offering over 1,300 tokens. With 24/7 support and industry-leading trading products, it's a top choice for both beginners and experienced traders. Don't miss out on these amazing bonuses. Click the link below, sign up with the Bybit referral code KAKA, and start trading today. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!